What's up, guys? Welcome to another video here at Zilker Park, Austin, Texas. Beautiful spring day, super popular place to hang out. I'm still in Austin, Texas, as I was saying. Not gonna lie, I'm getting kind of tired of Austin, Texas a little bit, but Zilker Park is one of the places I like to go hang out, work out, have some fun. A lot of people out here, beautiful day. It's been like stormy season, but today's just like super nice weather. So tons of people chilling. I'll show you a little bit of stuff here at the park. I'm gonna do some workouts, probably some flips, something like that. And hopefully I will be in Washington soon. That's where I'm planning to move this summer. I'm definitely, like I said, overall kind of getting sick of the whole city vibe. But here I am, Zilker Park, pretty chill place. Hopefully be in the mountains soon. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe.